Did you know that a clean home can sell up to 20% faster? That's right. When it comes to home sales, first impressions matter more than ever. As a realtor, you want to ensure your listings shine, and that's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. Our veteran-owned cleaning service is based in San Antonio, ready to help realtors prepare homes for sale. We understand the pressure of quick turnarounds, especially before open houses or buyer visits. Our dedicated team is committed to making homes sparkle, improving property showings, and ultimately helping you close deals faster than ever before. But here's a tidy tip. For little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. A well-lit space feels more inviting and showcases the home's best features. Imagine buyers walking into a bright, welcoming space, instantly envisioning their new life there. With TidyTex, you can elevate your listings and create an unforgettable experience for potential buyers. Partner with us to take your real estate game to the next level. Check the video description for more details, including our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today to make your listings irresistible and watch your sales soar.